Is your Tow-Pro flashing blue? Don't worry, in this video we'll walk you through the common causes and simple steps to get you back on the road towing safely. The Tow-Pro has a built-in fault detection system that uses the remote head LEDs to alert you to any problems with the braking system or the installation. As braking performance may be affected, it's recommended to avoid towing until the fault is rectified. A flashing blue remote head can mean a few things, so grab a multimeter and let's dive into the causes and fixes of this fault. Firstly, the blue flashing could indicate a continuous voltage on the red brake trigger wire. This wire is connected to the vehicle's brake light circuit and should receive approximately 12 to 14 volts only when the brakes are applied, and 0 volts when the brakes are not applied. If there's a continuous voltage present, this fault will be triggered. To test this, locate the Tow-Pro main unit under the dashboard and without unplugging it, connect the voltmeter between the red and white wires on the main 4-pin connector. With the vehicle ignition on, but the vehicle not running, check the voltage when the brakes are applied and make sure you see 12 to 14 volts. Now check the voltage with the brakes not applied. If there is any voltage when the brakes are not applied, an alternate brake trigger source will need to be located. To rectify this, head to our website to find your local installer or Red Network member. If the voltage is 0 volts with the brakes off, then this is not the cause of the fault. Next we will check if the power supply is stable. The Tow-Pro is connected to battery power through the black positive and white ground wire. To check if a poor connection is triggering this fault, connect your voltmeter between the black and white wires on the main 4-pin connector while it's connected to the Tow-Pro main unit. Check and tighten all connections between the start battery and the Tow-Pro unit. Look for any loose crimps, solder joints or connections on the circuit breaker or fuse. With the vehicle running, monitor the voltage to ensure it remains stable. If all connections look good, but the voltage remains unstable, please visit your local installer or Red Network member to investigate further. If you find no voltage issues, there may be damage to the remote head cable. The remote head cable links the remote head to the main unit. If damage is visible, replace the remote head cable. If you have followed these steps and your Tow-Pro remote head is still flashing blue, please contact REDARC Technical Support, and for more tech tips, head to redarcelectronics.com.